I'm diving deep into the world of OKX Crypto Exchange to uncover what it's really all about, and I challenge myself to find out if it's worth your time and money. OKX is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that has gained a reputation for its unique features and robust trading platform, making it a popular choice among crypto enthusiasts and investors alike. With its user-friendly interface and wide range of trading options, OKX has established itself as a major player in the cryptocurrency market, providing users with a seamless and secure trading experience. Many people are skeptical when it comes to choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, and for good reason. Security is a major concern, as the risk of hacking and theft is always present. Some exchanges have been known to prioritize profits over user safety, leaving investors vulnerable to attacks. This has led to a general mistrust of crypto exchanges, with many potential users hesitant to take the plunge. Ease of use is another challenge that users face, as the complexity of cryptocurrency trading can be overwhelming for beginners. A cluttered and confusing interface can make it difficult for new users to navigate, leading to frustration and a lack of confidence in their trading abilities. The fear of losing money is also a significant deterrent for many potential users. The cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, with prices fluctuating rapidly and unpredictably. This volatility can be intimidating, especially for those who are new to trading. The risk of making a mistake or failing to adapt to changing market conditions can be daunting, causing many to shy away from crypto exchanges altogether. Furthermore, the lack of clear information and transparency can also be a major turnoff, as users want to feel confident that their investments are secure and that they are making informed decisions. The security measures in place at some exchanges can be questionable, which is a major concern for anyone looking to invest in cryptocurrency. If an exchange is not taking the necessary steps to protect user funds, it can be a recipe for disaster. This is why it's essential to do your research and choose an exchange that prioritizes security and user safety above all else. By doing so, you can minimize the risk of loss and feel more confident in your trading abilities. OKX offers a wide range of trading options, including spot trading, futures trading, and options trading. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, with a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate and find the tools you need. The trading interface is highly customizable, allowing users to personalize their experience and tailor it to their individual needs. With advanced charting tools and real-time market data, users can make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. OKX also prioritizes security, with robust measures in place to protect user funds and prevent hacking and theft. One of the key features that sets OKX apart from other exchanges is its commitment to innovation. The platform is constantly evolving, with new features and tools being added all the time. This includes the development of new trading products such as perpetual swaps and options, which provide users with even more ways to trade and invest. The OKX team is also dedicated to providing excellent customer support, with a comprehensive knowledge base and 24/7 support available to help users with any questions or issues they may have. With a strong focus on community engagement, OKX provides users with a range of resources and tools to help them succeed in the cryptocurrency market. OKX has also made significant strides in terms of security, with a robust framework in place to protect user funds. This includes the use of advanced encryption methods, such as SSL and TLS, to secure data and prevent unauthorized access. The platform also uses cold storage to store the majority of user funds, which provides an additional layer of protection against hacking and theft. With regular security audits and penetration testing, OKX is able to identify and address any vulnerabilities, ensuring that user funds are always safe and secure. By prioritizing security and user safety, OKX has established itself as a trusted and reliable partner for cryptocurrency investors. The partnership between OKX and other major players in the cryptocurrency space is a key moment that showcases the exchange's innovation and success. By working together with other exchanges, wallets, and cryptocurrency projects, OKX is able to provide users with a more comprehensive and integrated trading experience. This includes the development of new trading products and services, such as decentralized finance protocols and non-fungible tokens. With a strong focus on collaboration and innovation, OKX is helping to drive the growth and adoption of cryptocurrency, providing users with new and exciting opportunities to trade and invest. The recent advancements in OKX's technology have also been a major factor in its success. The development of a new trading engine, for example, has significantly improved the speed and efficiency of trades, allowing users to execute trades faster and with greater precision. The implementation of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms has also enhanced the trading experience, providing users with more accurate predictions and insights. With a strong focus on research and development, OKX is constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of cryptocurrency, providing users with a more advanced and sophisticated trading experience. The integration of OKX with other cryptocurrency platforms and services has also been a key factor in its success. By providing users with a seamless and integrated experience, OKX is able to offer a more comprehensive and convenient trading experience. This includes the ability to trade on multiple platforms and exchanges, as well as access to a range of additional services and tools. With a strong focus on interoperability and compatibility, OKX is helping to drive the growth and adoption of cryptocurrency, providing users with a more connected and integrated experience. The success of OKX can be measured in a number of ways, including its growing user base and increasing trading volume. The exchange has also received widespread recognition and accolades, including awards for its innovative trading products and exceptional customer service. With a strong focus on community engagement and user satisfaction, OKX is helping to build a more positive and supportive cryptocurrency community, where users can come together to share knowledge, ideas, and experiences. In summary, OKX is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of trading options, a user-friendly interface, and robust security measures. With its commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction, OKX has established itself as a trusted and reliable partner for cryptocurrency investors. While there may be some potential drawbacks to using OKX, such as the risk of market volatility and the complexity of cryptocurrency trading, the exchange's strengths and benefits make it a solid choice for anyone looking to trade or invest in cryptocurrency. I hope this video has provided you with a more in-depth understanding of what OKX Crypto Exchange is really all about, and I encourage you to share your own experiences with the exchange in the comments below. If you're looking for more information on cryptocurrency trading and investing, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing some valuable tips and insights on how to succeed in the cryptocurrency market.